Hello, I saw your question in the email. You want to solve this rational equation, check for extraneous roots. So you want to fill in the answer here. So first thing you do when you solve a rational equation, different ways, but typically you look at the two denominators, 8 and x, and you want to determine what's called the least common denominator for the two denominators. And probably commonly be just their product. Not always, but many times it's just going to be the product of the two denominators. So it's 8x. So what do you do with that least common denominator? Well, you multiply each term here by it. So you multiply the 7/8, the 4 over x, and the 1 by it. Then when you simplify, it'll eliminate the fractions. That's the purpose in it. So you can put the 8x over 1, you can mark out the common 8's, and leaves you 7x. Here, put 8x over 1, mark out the common x's, leaves you 32. Then 8x times 1 is 8x. And I subtract 7x from each side, and I'm left with 32. If I subtract here, that's just plain old x, so x equals 32. They do say check for extraneous solutions. That means to put your 32 in here and see if it'll work out. So you got the 7/8 plus 4 over the 32 is that 1. Well, this will simplify 4 over 32, same as 1/8. Is 7/8 plus 1/8 equal to 1? Yes. So, 32 is the solution we're looking for. Hope that helps.